Looking at the UK stock that's done particularly well in recent months is Rolls-Royce.
Yeah.
That fell quite sharply as well, on the back of on the back of obviously those tariff announcements. What's quite interesting about that one is it's rebounded off the 200-day moving average. It's rallied quite hard. It's rallied quite hard today, but again, it's actually gone almost back to 800p, the highest that we saw in the middle of March. So it's more or less recovered around about half the losses that we saw from the peaks there. So again, a fairly decent rebound from Rolls-Royce just on the back of just one announcement. I mean, I think it just gives you an indication of how fickle these markets are.
Well, absolutely. And also the other thing, unless I've really missed something, and given how much of a whirlwind this week has been, it wouldn't particularly surprise me. Rolls-Royce, most of their staff exported to the United States. Certainly the stuff that they're exporting from the UK, the tariff rate hasn't changed, despite what Trump said yesterday. We were already at 10%. So obviously they got manufacturing all over the place, but it does feel again like a little bit of a case of the market overreacting to the negative news and then also overreacting to what was taken as the positive news that we got yesterday.
I think it's like a fiscal tsunami. What happens is it sweeps everything away. Some stuff comes back to where it was, and other stuff doesn't.
And some of the other stuff takes a little bit of time to get back where it was. It's certainly this is the thing. It's not, this sort of event is not something that markets can fully discount all the implications of within the space of 6 trading sessions. It takes a hell of a lot of time for everything to properly shake out. And I think on that note, one of the things that I'm keen to see sooner rather than later is the United States getting some sort of deals struck. Japan are supposedly at the front of the queue, South Korea potentially as well. But I think when, or indeed if, those deals are arranged, not only will it give participants a little bit of hope that actually a lot of these tariffs could come off or be permanently reduced at the end of the 90 days, it could also serve as a bit of a blueprint to some of the other countries that are going to be negotiating to essentially go, well, Japan promised this, South Korea promised this, let's do the same and hopefully speed up our own negotiations.